Hi there, and don't panic. Today is Towel Day, which is the day where fans of Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy celebrate by bringing a towel with them wherever they go. And on this awesome day, we're releasing Too Sexy 10, which we've been working on for over 2 years now. And Too Sexy is a content management plugin, and I'll just show you that in a few seconds because you might need to know first that it's for DNN. DNN is an open source web platform for creating any kind of solution, and it's the most widely used platform actually in the .NET ecosystem. And Too Sexy is the plugin that turns the platform into a content management solution for websites. So whether it's a small bakery that just has a few pages and wants to be ranked well in Google, or whether it's an enterprise solution with 52 languages, 100 content editors, when you add Too Sexy to DNN, it works, and it's really cool. And today, we're launching version 10. And Too Sexy has been out on the market, it's open source, for 6 or 7 years now. And the big thing we did in version 10 is we created a completely new UI for editing the content. Now, let me just show you briefly how this works so you kind of get an idea how it is. This is our new website, and we're really excited about it as well. And if I switch over into the logged in mode, the main difference you'll notice is I have a bar over here, the DNN edit bar. But what you'll also notice, if the mouse moves around, we get these really neat toolbars popping up. And this is one of the things that's new now. It's using the material design, which is just very, very nice in our eyes. And so I'll be targeting anything with my mouse and just clicking on it, and the dialog pops up. I can make some changes, and it'll be edited in real time. I'm going to modify this back because this is actually our live website. And this looks super easy. Anybody can do it. Let me just give you another example here. This is the old dialog, the way it opened before. You notice it takes about 2 seconds to build, and it doesn't look as nice. And the new one, which is built using Angular, also uses web components for the input fields. So it's much easier to customize if anybody needs to. So let me show you how this works with the new one. It loads much faster. When I do want to use WYSIWYG text, I have a much nicer editing experience than before. And if I need to add images or something, I can really work in a much larger dialog. For example, I can also just drop a picture here. I can replace it and start working with that. So I'm gonna cancel this now just to not save it because it's a live website. But you see, it's really, really easy and it's so fast. And what's really awesome is that the designers can create these output templates so that the editor can just simply replace some text and pictures, but they don't have to worry about this becoming responsive or the picture being resized properly because the smart templates will take care of everything. That's the power of Too Sexy. So this is what we're launching today. We hope you love it. In addition to that, we're also launching our new website, which is what you were just seeing before. And there's so much content on here to get going, whether it's to discover Too Sexy, to find out what it actually does and how it works, learning resources for just installing it, or tutorials for working on things, checklists to do just about anything. Plus, and this is the really cool thing, there are all these apps, whether it's news or blog or anything, you can just download them, try them, and then you can customize them any way you want to. So it's very different from normal modules or packages that do exactly what they deliver, and you have trouble optimizing it. Like if you need extra languages, you need a few more fields to do something, you want to change what it looks like. This is all super simple HTML, CSS, and the content, which is managed in the background. So one last thing which I would like to add, a big, big thank you for the people that have been working on this for, almost 2 years now. And that's Ante, Tonchi, Peter, Rafael. I'm really, really proud of what we're working on. And I really think this is going to help so many people create really awesome solutions. Thank you for your help. And anybody that's watching now, go to toosexy.org, 2sxc.org, by the way. Give it a try. I'm sure you'll love it. Thank you for watching, and happy Towel Day. This is Daniel Mettler, Tusik Internet Solutions in Switzerland.